Hi, welcome back. Another important session. So here, let me try to explain you, okay, warehouse parameters. Okay, of course, your warehouse is linked with storage location. Location is linked with plant. Otherwise, you can call it as warehouse parameters. An interesting configuration in SAP. Okay, so previously we had a discussion about quick recap like. So this warehouse, warehouse number level, we have created plant and storage location. We made a link, plant and storage location combination. We assign the warehouse number. Okay. Next, we are going to see warehouse parameters. Okay. Control parameters. Let's come here. Let me show you one more time. This is a path logistics execution, not in definition. If you look at here, so you can see this warehouse management. Okay, so in warehouse management there is something called master data. Okay, define control parameters for warehouse. Let's see what's the help talks about. It's a definition. You can able to see. Okay, you can able to read it, but let me go back and explain. Let me try to add that. Okay, if you come here, so what is that? Z05. Let's go for the central warehouse. Okay, from here you can see this. This is the warehouse number. Okay, central warehouse number. That this is what we have defined. What is weight unit of measurement? Okay, let's come here. So like when you are trying to manage your warehouse, okay, so what unit of measurement it's supposed to be, like at the time of managing your warehouse. So like space management basically, like you can able to do it. Let me take this one as in kilograms, and if it is in volume, then okay, let me take in liters. You can take anything, hectoliters. I have seen one of my current project, they're using hectoliters. Okay, volume unit of measurement. So, these are the two things. Okay, so what it is saying, sales unit of measurement must be activated in all storage types. Okay, so that's why it is giving an error. Okay, let me try to take a. No, it's not at allowing. We have a dependent configuration is there. Let me explain this. This is the weight unit of measurement and this is volume unit of measurement. You have to assign it. Okay. Let me take. Still, it is not assigning. Okay. So let's try to understand this. Let's don't keep anything. Okay. Let's keep this. So let me come to G15. Okay. Here also something will be there. So let's come to the standard. Something is possible, then it might be linked with storage tab, right? So let's go inside. Let's check. For this, you can able to see this because configuration is present. We'll check with standard KZ, and you can take the liters. And first unit of measurement. See, you can see unit of issue. At the time of issuing, what is the unit of measurement that need to be considered? Okay. Ordering unit. This is copying from your sales order or purchase order that need to have a preference. Okay. Base unit of measurement, like in basic data one tab in our material master creation, we have already seen. If no other unit is specified, okay, you can take. For example, if these two are not specified, it will go for this. And warehouse management unit of measurement. If you are taking for warehouse any special unit of measurement like tons or hectoliters, such a case. Warehouse unit of measurement also other unit of measurements from reference document. Any reference document, if you are copying, then that also it will give priority. Okay. So this is another, like blank means basically it will take the base unit of measurement. So here by default it is assigned L actually. Okay. Warehouse unit of measurement. Let's try to check if any chances we get G05. Let's come here. let me take this one as L. Okay, so it is asking, it's a mandatory. Let me try to check. Maybe if I take the terms, will it allow me? So it's not allowing me. Some link is there. So first we have to deactivate because by default standard it is copied, right? Then we can able to take it. Okay. Let's keep this one. Okay. This is first preference. This will go as a default. For example, base unit of measurement, if it is not maintained, then it will go what exactly we are going to maintain here. For example, if I take blank is this one. Next I'm asking to take warehouse unit of measurement. Okay. So this is the case. So next one is method actually. What is the blocking logic? I think if you ever have availability check, this tick mark will be there inside. Like, for example, transfer order is creating. Worldwide, assume that, Germany using this material or, US, UK, and, across the world, global level, you have implemented warehouse management there. What is the priority? For example, I'm trying to put the same transfer order for the material. Some stock is there. It needs how it needs to be blocked for my order as a priority. So like exclusively for warehouse number during transfer order creation, warehouse number, based on warehouse number it will give priority, okay, irrespective, or else within the warehouse number based on the bin also. Okay, so block material for maximum level of partial processing. Okay, so this is either bin level, this one, these two generally it will be used in real time. Let's take this one. Okay, anyhow, sales unit of measurement must be first deactivated, then only it will allow. So this error will fix this in later session. You try to understand this. Next one is partial picking. At the time of packing actually, okay. So multiple processing for delivery allowed. Okay, for multiple deliveries, the warehouse picking needs to be done at the same time. Partial picking for multiple processing for TR allowed. Okay. Okay, partial picking for multiple processing TR delivery, different options will be there. Okay, why do we have to choose this? These are the how we need to pick actually what should be the priority actually. So next one is capacity check. So at the time of checking capacity, okay, so if something is not there, warning or error message or notification, this is the one. In the similar way, if any batch is missing, suppose your warehouse stock is maintained in different batches, what should be the system reaction? That should be there. And activity data at the time of confirming, at the time of a certain activity. Okay, based on the activity, it will react actually. We will see all these parameters in upcoming sessions. It's going to be the depth actually for SD consultant, but let's see. We'll try to understand this. And once we can able to create LT03 is one transaction is there. There we can able to create the transfer order. We can able to leave these sessions. It's not go to in depth like in the inbound and full module level. It's not required actually. Okay, that's fine. Let's see our time. If we can able to do it, we can able to do it. Okay, that's all about what I would say plant parameters. Okay, so this is my Udemy profile. All my SD courses available. So like, this is functional spec writing and different courses available. So these are the links I'm providing SAP SD and S4 HANA. If you'd like to enhance your knowledge, you can enhance it. Okay. Thanks for joining the session. We'll catch up in next session after fixing that error. Okay. Why we are getting them. Thank you so much for having patience to listen and learn. Share this knowledge. It is very, very important. Okay. That's all for today. Jai Hind. All the best.